How to make stickers on Canva and make money. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own stickers on Canva and make money. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to sign up on Canva via your email address. So whatever email address you have, you just have to sign up and create your password, and this will create your Canva account. Now, there are many routes that you can go down with Canva. You can click on presentation and then make a formal portrait size, a portrait or a landscape size sticker. So depending on the sizing that you want, you're gonna go with the size. So you can see on your top right, you have custom size over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to change this from pixels into inches, and then you're just going to add whatever the width and the height of your stickers you might want. So let's say I want to create a 10 by 10 inch sticker pack. So whatever kind of sticker pack that you're looking to create, you're just going to take that size. And once you have taken that size, the larger size you have, the more stickers you can fit into that. So you need to keep that into account. The smaller canvas size you're taking, the less amount of stickers you can add. Now, to get started, what I like to do is I like to color the paper first. So I just like to select the canvas and then click on over here on the top left. And then what I do is I open up document colors. I go into like pink or whatever kind of stickers I'm looking to create and take like a very, very light tinted shade of whatever kind of stickers I'm looking to create. So once I have added this simple color, what you're going to do is on your left, you're going to click on elements. And once you have clicked on elements, you're going to start adding the stickers that you want. So let's say I want these to be super girly and floral stickers. So first I'm going to add girl. And I'm going to click on graphics instead of all. And now you can see there are several different graphics that I can choose from. So I'm just going to scroll down and take a look at my options. And I'm going to add this sticker over here. And I'm going to place it at the bottom like so. And then you can also change the color of the graphic. So you can see on your top left over here, you have these different colors. And if I select a color, I can change this color like so. So I can just change that. And then I can select another color and then change it. So you can basically change this into any color you want. So this is totally up to you on how you want to color your stickers. Now I'm just going to keep on looking for more similar stickers. Now, whenever you click on a element, like if I click on this element, I get these magic recommendations on my left. So you can click on see all, and then this will enable you to create like a very simple and easy collection in just a few minutes, because you will already get like similar sticker recommendations from Canva anyways. So I can just match these stickers like so. And then I'm just going to add 3 stickers in a row like this. And then I'm just going to place some more. So now I'm going to take one of these, and I'm just going to resize this and place it over here. And then I'm going to take one of these, place it over here. I'm just going to resize these to match, and you need to keep into account that you have some distance between your stickers, because stickers will need to be cut depending on how you're selling your stickers. If you're going to print them yourself and sell them yourself, or if you're going to upload them on any print-on-demand platform, whatever you might be looking to do, you need to make sure to leave adequate spaces between the individual stickers so people are easily able to cut them and paste onto their books or whatever they are doing. So we're going to take another animation, and we're going to take this one now, and I'm just going to resize and place it over here. And I'm going to resize this to be a bit larger, this as well. And what I'm going to do after adding like 2 rows of characters, I'm going to go back into my element section, and I'm going to search for flowers. And I'm going to click on graphics, or I'm going to search for woman. And I'm just going to search for feminine, feminist. And I'm just going to take these these kinds of stickers, and I'm going to place a few tiny feminist stickers like this. And then I'm going to scroll down, and I'm just going to add this as well. So just to add a little bit of variability into my stickers, I like to, once I have like a certain kind of look to the stickers, then I like to add a different dimension to the stickers as well, so they don't seem monotone and, they don't look boring as well. Because you don't want, customers to feel like, oh, these stickers, it's the same thing over and over again. So we're gonna add this sticker as well, like so, and I'm going to drag it and place it over here. And then I'm just going to search for heart, and then I'm going to click on the graphic section, and I'm just going to add a few of the hearts as well, just a few tiny hearts. And then you can easily use things like hearts and flowers to fill out any excess spaces in your sticker collection. If you ever feel like, oh, I have some space, but I can't fit an entire sticker that matches the collection, then you can just place anything like a heart like so. And then you can just place this over here to just fill out any excess space that you might have left over within your sticker pack. So you can see I've created this simple little sticker pack, and I can just click on share over here, click on download, and now I can download this as a PNG, JPEG, PDF, or PDF print. Now you might be wondering, hey, I have my sticker pack, but how do I actually sell it? Well, you can always sell your stickers on Etsy. It's a pretty popular thing. If I search on Etsy for, like this is Etsy, and I'm going to search for stickers. And you can see stickers are a very popular thing on Etsy. So you can see trending meme stickers, simple stickers, any kind of sticker collection is pretty popular. Pink kawaii sticker pack. So you can create any of these kinds of sticker packs and print them yourself, or you can go onto any of these platforms like Printify, Printful, or Redbubble to get your stickers printed directly from them. And you can just post your sticker designs and then they will print it. So you can see I have a Printful account, and all I have to do is upload my design. So I can click on new order, click on create your order over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for whatever I want to sell. I can just search for sticker. And now you can see I have two sticker options, which is the 3x3 or 5.5 into 5.5, or I have the 5.883 into the 8.27. So what I do for print on demand stickers is that I go into Canva and I click on custom size, and whatever are the dimensions mentioned over here, I open up a canvas of that size and then start designing on that canvas. So it's the same on any other platform like Printful, on Redbubble. And the best part about this is that you don't have to invest any initial money. You don't have to worry about, printing a bunch of stickers and not selling them. These will be sold and printed whenever someone purchases them, and all you have to do is just design on Canva. And once you finish designing on Canva, your work ends just right there. So it allows you a lot smoother experience for a higher price. I'm not going to say it's going to give you more profit. Obviously, if you were printing and doing all of that stuff yourself, you would get more profit, but it does simplify your work a lot. So we're going to add a 5.83 into 8.27. So we have 5.83 into 8.27. That is the canvas size, and make sure it's inches, not pixels. And then we're just going to open up this canvas, and this is the size on Printful dashboard that they have for sticker sizes. And now once I've added that, I can just go on to elements, and I'm going to change the background color. So I'm just going to change this background color, and I'm going to search in elements. I'm going to search for aqua, and then I'm going to click on graphics, and then I'm just going to add a few different stickers like this clover leaf. And then I'm going to search, and I'm going to search for blue flowers. And then I'm just going to add a few of these kinds of images like so. So you can just keep on adding however you want. And once you've added all of the stickers, now I'm just going to rush this, but obviously you're going to add your stickers properly. But just to show you guys, I'm just going to randomly add a couple and just move on. So we're just going to add all of these like this, like so. And then I'm just going to click on share over here, click on download this as a PNG, and then I'm going to go on Printful, click on the sticker pack, And then once I have done that, all I have to do is I have to upload my design. So I'm just going to drop my design over here. So we're just going to click on upload new file. And then I'm just going to go into my download section and then upload my new design. And just like that, my new design is being uploaded. So I'm just going to click on apply. And now you can see this has been applied onto the sticker pack. Now we have this little warning as well. Stickers will merge if placed too close. So this is another way for you to make sure that your stickers are placed accurately. And once I've done that, I can just create a mock-up view as well. And then I can just click on continue to start selling my stickers on their platform. So that is how simple and easy it is to design and create stickers and sell and make money on Canva. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.